All right, session the green one first. All right, looks like it has a skinny for us. And then down and around that way, but I'm gonna go this way. Take the gravel back up. It looks like they have an intermediate and a black. See if I can hit the intermediate. The blue whoa. Yeah, I wasn't looking right. I'm gonna try it again. What? No, it's fine. Oh, you want to see? Hang on. Ah! Oh, I thought my back tire was going to fall off. I should have kept going. All right. Do I hit this slow or do I hit it fast? I mean, I can't hit it too fast. Nope, going off again. Yeah, I'm gonna try it one more time. Yeah, I'm gonna try it one more time. I think I'm letting this rain get to me. The one with the blue square on it. All right, everybody. I'm gonna try one more time for right now this time. If I can make it, I want some likes and some subscribes. Oh. What do you think, Jaden?
I think you're doing good.
Hang on, I get sweat on my eyes. All right. If I make it all the way through this, I need some likes and some subscribes. Come on now, stay with me.
Stay with it. Stay down there. Daddy.
Ah, there we go. Ah, I put my foot down on the rock, but I'm still up here. I don't think that counts. Oh, it's gonna be hard to start here though. And that's a big drop, the right side of it. I'm cheating.
Don't count.
I know I'm cheating. Because I need to, man, because if I fall off here, there's no stopping. So I need to take my tire out wide so I can roll it back in.
Oh, Daddy, you can't do that. You can't do it.
I know I cheated. I used my feet when I got there. I got to the rock and I stopped. I should have kept going. All right, Jaden.
Oh, there you go. Keep going, keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Ah, yeah. Yeah. Come on, Lindley.
Work on feeding into the next one.
Lindley, come on. Here, come here. You want to run or you want to ride?
I'm right.
Okay. Hang on. Like I did, Jaden.
Dad, can you hold on to
You're gonna sit up here. Nope, sit up here. Just hold back. Sit right here and keep your feet out of this wheel.
Hi, Jaden.
You did this, didn't you, Jaden? No, you did it when I got you from gaming.
Daddy! This is bad. Why did it make that noise?
Because the brakes are wet.
Oh. What?
All right, everybody. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll come back out when it's not raining, it dries up, and we'll hit more of this trail. I'm gonna do more of them features, and I'm gonna do the pump track. Got my drone. I'll see if I get a couple flyovers. Until next time, peace.